Hey, what's up YouTube? It's JAFRIKAN Illustration once again, and today I am here with you and I will be unboxing the Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. I'm trying to grow a small business and I'm thinking of ways in which I could interact with the public, interact with people and get them to see my products. And with where the world is today, you can't just walk into somebody's personal space without them being on edge. And so I was thinking a tablet would be ideal, kind of takes the tension off approaching people, just holding the screen, giving them an idea of why you're coming to them. And that starts to like ease the tension. So I'm excited to see if this works. Let us see what's inside the box. It's about to go down. Let me pull this cover off, see what's underneath. No use for that. Pull up that lid, get that tablet out of there. Let me toss it aside, put it aside, saving the best for last. Let's see what's inside the box. Alright, paper, more paper. Alright, charger brick. Let me put that aside. And still paper. Then we have the charging cable. Let me put that aside also. What do we have here? Warranty card, no use for that. Quick start guide, I got this. Let's see what else is inside the box. So deep down in the box we have that SIM card tray remover pointy thingy. Put that aside. I wonder if there are more goodies. Don't look so. Oh well, don't need that. Throw that aside. Let's see the prize. The tablet. Alright, how do you open this thing? Where is the part? Oh, here it is. Alright, so on the back we have that sticky flap thing. Let me go ahead and rip that off and see what's in there. Alright, this thing is sticky. Oh, this feels nice. It feels heavy. Has that solid metal feel. You know, for $150 something product, this feels really nice and solid. For some reason I thought it would have felt like some cheap plastic, but this feels good and I think it will be able to get the job done without a hassle. This looks good. I like it. Maybe it's just because I like electronic device. So on the left side we have the micro SD card / SIM card tray. On the top we have some speakers, yes, and on the back we have that 8 megapixel camera and the Samsung logo. Now on the right side we have the power button, the volume rocker and the microphone, and on the bottom we have another set of speakers, USB type C and a headphone jack. That pretty much sums it up for ports, buttons, and O's. Right, let me go ahead and turn this thing on and set it up. Now everything seems to be working fine, and all I need to do is get the apps that I need on here, right? So I could just easily go swipe over and go to, what the hell am I doing? So hit the Play Store icon and see what's on there, right? Took you long enough. Yep, so it's working all right. Now I'm ready to load it up, set it up, and get out there and see if this tablet gets the job done. Customers, here I come. Yeah, so this is a Galaxy Tab A7 Lite, capable of doing just about all that I wanted to do and then some. There's a SIM card slot where I could just add WhatsApp, and so my customers could contact me via WhatsApp or a phone call on this when I'm at home, because I doubt I'll be putting this to my ears on the street. So too big, I don't see me walking around looking like this, right? And so it will definitely be a convenient device for business. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, still give it a thumbs up. Just give it a thumbs up because you can. And remember to subscribe, share your comments below. Help this channel grow. Let's take it to another level. Take it away. That is all I have for you today. Thank you for watching, and as always, one love.